What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and today we're going to the Bernardo Mountain Summit Trail in Escondido, California. What do you think, Robin?
Yeah, it should be fun. We'll check it out.
Yep, so stay tuned. And I'm really excited for today's hike because I have these new sunglasses that have a 4K camera in them. And so I'm gonna actually see what kind of footage I can get from that. Hey, how you doing? Good. How you doing? Good morning. Yeah, great. Yeah. Ready to hike. Hey, everybody. Hey, hi, I'm Chris. Hi, Cindy. How you guys doing? Hey, she's leaving, huh?
This is Piper.
Oh, hey, Pipes. So there are a couple of trails out here, and we're taking one. What you want to do is take this bridge, and I'll show you the bridge, and that way you know you're on the right trail. So you're gonna come off the bridge and then there's a fork and you're gonna go to the left and that'll take you on the right trail. It's a dog break. All right, so we're going to the right. There's a little sign here, and that's where we're headed. That's the mountain that we're going to be heading up. So you just want to make sure you keep that in view, and you're probably heading in the right place. So there's a lake over there, and what's really cool is that this whole area was underwater for the longest time, and the bridge that we came over was built so that you can walk over the water, but I guess because of droughts and stuff like that, or it just hasn't rained that much, there's actually a lot less water here, and so it's a much smaller lake. But if it ever does rain again, then it has the opportunity to fill up again. So just know if you go on this trail, hikers, bikers, and horses can go on this. So it could get a little crowded, so just watch out for that when you're hiking. To the right, there's a little sign here, and that's where we're headed. Good morning. Robin had a little bit of a water malfunction. It's working now. No. It was just her hose was all over the place. So it's all working now.
You got a shower.
Well, she didn't get wet. She just couldn't. It was just kind of wrapped around her neck.
Did you guys stop for us? Yeah. No, yes.
Some people stopped.
We're stopping because we're tired. But you're a good excuse.
Piper needed water.
Yeah.
It was Piper.
Piper looked thirsty. So.
Piper's our dog.
Hey, Pipe. How you doing? How you doing? It always seems like you see a summit, and then there's another summit above that one. And then So this hike, you're going to be going uphill about 1,000 feet. Oops, tripping over the rocks here because you know it's rocky here. But you're going to be going up about 1,000 feet. So just want you to know, in case that's an issue for you. So you're going to the summit, just know that there's some forks in the road. Just, I guess a rule of thumb is to keep going up because you are summiting. So just keep going up. And there are some signs along the way. Beautiful house up there, way out here in the mountains. There's a trail down there, and that's the Coast to Crest Trail. All right, we made it to the summit. All right, so this is the summit.
Yay, we made it.
I'm gonna just give you a little panorama, and then I'm gonna get the drone out. It's a little small up here, but I did find a spot where I could take the drone off and just give it a little spin. I'll give you that footage. All right, well, we're done with the top. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage, and now we are heading back down the mountain. So he's a puppy too. She is. All right, so the whole hike was about 7 miles long, and the elevation is about 1,000 feet. So I think it's a pretty easy hike. There is elevation, obviously, 1,000 feet. So if you have trouble with elevation, I wouldn't do this hike. But otherwise, it's a pretty easy. And the good thing is there wasn't any, because you know how I am. If you watch any of my videos, you know I'm not terribly excited about heights. But this hike doesn't have any real problem with that. So you're not going to be hanging on a ledge or anything like that. But anyway, but otherwise, you know, it was a beautiful day. It was a beautiful hike, and I definitely recommend it. And that's all I had for this video. And if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That way YouTube knows to push it out to others that can benefit from it. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notifications so that way you'll be notified every time we put out a healthy living video. And if you have any comments or any other hikes that you would recommend, please leave them in the comments below. I'll meet you down there shortly. And if you know anybody who can use healthy living videos like this one, make sure you share the video and the channel with them so they can join in on all the fun. And for more tips on how to live a happier, healthier life, 2 videos are going to pop up any moment, and you can click on any of those videos and you can continue your happy, healthy living journey. And I'll see you all next time.